You got some of the videos after.
Well, just look up my YouTube.
What is it?
Troll12314. Subscribe.
Yes, mother.
Hi, my name is Debbie, and I get blowjobs by Julia Slaughter, because she slaughters my dick.
She's really ugly.
Is that his sister?
What?
Is that his sister?
No, he's a guy.
Sure. Why are you shooting my cousin? Oh, dude, that's the thing. Yeah.
Oh! Now you're gonna die. Yeah, and I'll break all your fingers. So we're even. Yeah, everything new. Yeah.
She's like, oh!
Don't touch Senor Proud.
Oh.
Yeah, I have an idea. Yeah. There you
Yo, full contact, boom. Yo, when Blunkhead Fest comes, we're gonna do. Stop. What are you doing? Are we not?
Are we gonna do you? What are we gonna do?
Take all the things off.
What?
Help me.
Why are we taking them off?
No, what are we
He's on our
gonna do?
team.
Let's go, guys. What are we gonna do?
What? I have no idea.
Why'd you say when Blunkhead comes, we're gonna do, and then stop.
I have no idea.
Do that.
Take my bed.
Come on, no bed.
Yo, come on. Why?
I wanna dance you.
Oh, there we go.
It's jiggles.
Are you gonna bump him too?
Yeah.
I know you are.
He's just not running Blumpkin camo right now.
What's bumping timing?
Black and tan pants with an orange mug.
East Coast. What is? How old are you?
16.
And you get food on your plate.
Do that. I will actually.
And you get food on your plate.
I will break your fingers and smack you with drip glue.
Thanks,
I
man.
have military ID.
What?
I have a military ID. Something cooler.
What?
I have military ID.
What? What?
You guys are so violent.
I can't hear you.
I have a military ID.
That was mean. That was mean.
He's got this really high light in my eyes and it hurts.
Hey, you want the prostitute or not?
You know what? I've been wrong. I'm happy. Where the fuck is that? Where the fuck?
Can I shoot that once?
Let me wait. No.
Stop. Stop. What are you doing?
He put it in there.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
No, he didn't.
I watched him.
Can I
He
take a
took it out
shot?
of my vest and went and stabbed me like that down the
Oh,
back.
I give it back to him.
Fuck it.
Can I take one shot with this? One shot. All right, I'm taking a shot.
Yo, I have 2 lights.
Probably put it to semi.
It didn't shoot.
I have 2 lights.
Wow.
In my head.
There's no ammo.
Tell me you're an idiot.
Yeah, Tom.
That's awesome.
Turn it off.
I don't know how to. Alright, okay.
You can also use it as a dead bag, Jason.
22.
Get them always on the ground. What pants are these?
These? I don't remember. You guys have 22.
Here, I'm gonna go.
On and then.
Wait. What's 14 points? I'm gonna
Move our whole team over.
go try doing that. No, that's great. You guys are trust me. You guys are staying here. Stay here. I don't think I'm quite as good. Usually, but I'm just
Can I buy this off you? I can't buy it off you. How much is it?
Point it at the wall. It's not like a long distance.
we have a group of
Neither is mine. That's why.
Here, I got it.
I got it. Red mode.
Red, yes. Green, yes. Off, yes.
It's for reading.
I'm just gonna like, what?
Yeah.
It's weird.
It goes on your head like it's a little strap. What?
That was funny. You're like,
I can't get anywhere with a fat ass thing on it. I can't wait for my fucking 6 or 9 4.
I like my new Blake. I like my new thing. Can I take a shot with that? Yo, can I shoot that once? Can I shoot it once?
And then mine sounds like...
Yes.
We are doing the same thing.
No.
Shot me!
Can I shoot it once? Hey,
You're in front of me.
can I shoot it once?
Yeah, just once.
Thank you.
Safety. Congratulations.
I know that. I know.
Yeah, you know that.
I really like that grip.
Stop! Slender, stop!
Who? Tom, where was it?
AJ's asshole. That's where he keeps everything. Yeah, including fins. Rubber fins. Don't play this game with me, boy! Don't play with this game!
You like your new hollow? No, what if it actually gets shot out?
No, nobody really
And,
funny.
like,
Like,
taking my
okay,
shit.
everyone.
No.
No, guys, nobody really fun. Listen,
We shook on
listen
it.
to me. You don't care if you. Listen. You're right.
What are we playing?
Listen, everybody.
Yo, what are we playing?
Like for like 30 seconds before the game.
What are we playing?
That'd be so much fun.
What are we playing?
Too long. Here we go. Here we go.
Where do you want to go? Team Deathmatch Jury response.
Blitz it, guys, I'm blitzing. Guys, I'm blitzing. Guys, I'm blitzing.
Yo, let's go
On
around.
my foot.
Oh, me? Okay.
Awesome.
That's it. Bang, bang.
No, I'm not even visible. Nice try.
Bang.
Yeah, you're out.
What? All right, you got me. Yo, kid. Chris, where is he?
I keep getting...
Where is he, Tom?
Around.
Ugh.
Where is he?
Window. Fuck. Suicide, in suicide. Red light. Fuck. Shut up, you didn't see that. What? Let's go to suicide.
Hey, that looks so bad. Get it, Evan. Keep going, Dale. Let's shoot them together.
Red light. I smell my wires. He's still there. Oh my god!
Ross with me. Trust me.
Hit! Fucking A. Ugh.